Are you ready?
Ready.
Forward.
Stand up. Good. Stay.
Hey, good job. Are you ready?
Ready.
Forward.
Plus. Good boy. Stand back. Good job. Your sister's down. Creepy. Front. That was a lot of energy.
Oh my God, she came out to her show, she's like,
Good.
I did too, I'm dying. Beth came out of the room to show off, she had this castle thing on. Yeah. She took the shirt off, she was so hot.
Great.
Bye-bye. I see him thinking about sneezing. Should I treat him or should I try to push him?
Why don't you treat him? Treat him.
I can see when he went around the cone, he was like, heavy breathing. Ah, there it is. Barrett.
You got it in before.
Barrett. Good. Should I pay him or? He sneezed when I healed him away from the cone.
You want to do that one again? Do it again.